obscured and away. In this time the Parasar is the reality which engages us into peace and balance. It is that which brings the contentment of understanding and the awareness of continuity. I follow the path of our ancestors who have made the journey through the veil and teach us from the inner worlds. I hear their names reach out to us and their hearts fill us with the blessings of truth. Between every breath I am clearing my consciousness away from the present evil so that I may hear the quiet voices of enlightenment which bring us closer to the ascension. Rice's voice was strong and powerful as over 4,000 citizens listened to the new teacher of the hierarch. The old ways are gone and we are free to express the truth of what is coming. I can give you a greater lesson today if you listen with your heart and center your being. You are held transfixed in a dark world because of the ones who take you for fools. The others who are not of our kind are the Zarksa, the Black Alliance. I stand here and speak with conviction that I know this and you shall know this as well. They are working in opposite direction from your best interest. You must know by now that you have more potential to make it beyond what you have been forced to live in. The world you know is deteriorating and becoming poisoned. Many of you have lost intelligence and are losing the glow because of the infections. Leah's natural resources are polluted, the waters run dirty and the land is poisoned. The hearts of our humanity are hardened and the body is in pain. The mind suffers from the shadows of the obscuration. This obscuration has been a deception planned by the team of governmental leaders who have subverted the environment to create disease. The unconscionable desire and delight of the dictates to cause suffering to enhance their temporal benefit of dominance is without remorse. Our people, our world and our future are at stake as we set a course to face the Black Alliance from the strength of the hierarch. The amount of disease is continuing to be expanded until you are unaware of what is occurring. Your symptoms are blindness and dumbness to the truth and the addictions. The selfish desires keeping you from expanding this creation and your hearts are heavy with remorse for what is lost. You have become forgetful not from age but from distraction and loss of your vibrant radiance. I can only speak to you in lower levels as your spirit is disconnected from your awareness. Things don't make sense to you anymore. In your attempts to consider my words, your thoughts are distracted and fragmented. In every sentence I must lower my intentions and speak of your personal world. Acknowledge your dramas, listen to your wounds, address your pain and seek entrainment to your suffering. Your disease is mental and emotional and your addictions are physically manifesting just as the world is infected and spurious. Every entertainment drives you towards more decadence, towards usage of resources and infringement.